How we get access to our customer portal? Just click login, then sign in, then use your account. It will pop a message in your mobile in Microsoft Authenticator with the same number. Then I will use my mobile. I will enter the number, then I will click yes. After verification, it will give me the access to my customer portal. Those my products, which I already added. You can add the new product from here. Now I need to download PTL file. Just click on the PTL, select what kind of file that you want. You can use the search, or even you can download the complete package, including everything here about all clays. Don't forget, we have here training, which is e-Academy. Academy is the interactive training program to teach you how to use CMC 500. I hope it's clear. Please let me know if you have any question. Don't hesitate to contact me through my email. This is my email. Thank you.